This is the easiest and the most effective way of using FairFax Hair Energizer, the Swiss hair fall control formula. Step 1. Shampoo hair. Rinse with plain water to wash shampoo off. Step 2. Add 3 drops of FairFax to a mug full of water. Stir with your fingers to mix well. Step 3. Pour this herbal water over your head to gently rinse your scalp, hair roots and hair. After rinsing with FairFax water, do not pour plain water over your head. Just pat dry your hair with a soft towel. That's it. It just takes 2 minutes to use FairFax Hair Energizer. FairFax should be used after every hair wash, that is 2 to 3 times a week. If used carefully, this small bottle will last 18 to 20 washes or 1.5 months.